Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove underline from Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now I'll remove this underline from my text. I'll remove this whole column underline. Click on this column serial number and select. Now click on this format option and select text option. Here you will find this underline option. Again click here and see this underline are now removed. Also remove this text underline and select forward option and text and select here underline and say this underline now remove. Also remove this three cells underline, forward option and text and select underline. Yeah, this is in this way you can remove all of this underline or a specific cell or text underline you can remove. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.